Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you the easy and clear steps on how to turn off Analyze content in Microsoft Outlook on Android. How to turn off Analyze content in Microsoft Outlook on Android. Make sure you keep watching this video until the end. Let's get started right away. Firstly, open the Microsoft Outlook app on your Android device. This is the initial screen of the Microsoft Outlook app. Next, tap the Google icon at the top right of the screen. And a scrolling down menu will appear. Tap the Settings icon at the bottom left of the screen. Scroll down. Tap Privacy Settings. Tap Analyze Content. So that's it, this tutorial on how to turn off Analyze content in Microsoft Outlook on Android. Thank you for watching. I hope this video was helpful. See you in the next video.